Give us an update. How you been?
Good. I'm free of the brace. Just kind of came out. This is our local event, of course. Just want to come and help out with the event. I work close to Max and want to see him do good today too. And good to be back at the races. And a lot of people come by and say hi. And it's been cool. And man, it's warm out this weekend. Kind of brutal conditions that I really look forward to. And we got a rough track for the boys today.
Will we see you back at any races this year, or are you just going to take it off, take it easy?
I won't be racing at all this year anymore. Just with my recovery, I got to make sure everything's healed 100%. I got good news from my doctor, so I'm really happy with that. Now I can get into like more physical therapy and start getting stronger again, and a little bit more healing to do left, but it feels more and more normal every day.
It's going to be a hot one this weekend. We're sitting in 90 degrees right now. We're all sweating. But track here at Sunset's amazing. Bob here always does a great job. We got tons of split lines, great option lines, good passing, good national ATV racetrack. I think this is probably one of the better venues for us just because of the racy track we're provided. You know, it's going to be fun. It's going to be hard, Sufferfest. It's going to be hot, rough, but it's a good track, and I'm looking forward to that. We haven't had much time off. We've had a week and a half break, and I left a little bit early because this one's kind of far from me, so not much time off. Rode 4 days worth and just did what I could and clicked off some laps and felt good with that. And here we are, ready to go at Sunset.
I kind of like anything. I'm still a hard pack kid at heart. Yeah, if they want to make it rough, then make it rough, but I kind of like whatever.
Good luck, Brandon.
Thanks.
Not much, man. Same stuff. Seemed like in May was a lot of baseball and softball for the kids. Working. It's hot. We're in the Midwest right now. It's the same temps over at home. So just being a dad, man, trying to live a different life outside of racing now and try to get that all figured out.
Well, I'm happy for you, bud, and I'll see you out there later.
Thanks, man.
Oh, track was really good. The first qualifier was not what I expected. It was pretty smooth and just fast. And then qualifier 2, like the longer this day goes on, the rougher the track's gonna get. So qualifier 2 was good. Put in a P1 in qualifier 2. Qualifier 1 I was P2, so we needed to make some changes in the machine, which we did, and got through there and came out P1. So it feels good. Bike feels great. Track's really rough. It's really hot. It'll be a tough day. But we're all going to be in the same boat. So hopefully I'm prepared enough. I think I am. I'm pretty sure I know I am. So I'm ready to go out there and tear it up.
Good luck in another one, dude.
Thanks, man.
I guess this is goodbye. I guess we got what we deserved. Hold on to your heart.
And we've been hanging out at Keaton Sturck's place. I did fall off last week, but we're all good. Excited for this. Chad's working the track, so we know what that means. It's going to get rough, so it should be for a good day of racing, and yeah, I'm ready. Thank you.
This might be a dumb question. Does it get this hot in Estonia?
No, not this hot. Not the humidity here is something different. We don't have back home.
It's almost like the air is like thick to breathe, huh?
Yeah, it's hard to breathe for sure. Even when we don't have sun out today, it's pretty hot.
Oh, well, good luck there.
Thank you.
So I saw you, and then I didn't see you. What happened, Moto 1?
Yeah, I think I just bermed it. I really don't know what happened, but it's soft up high on that berm. And I think I just came in there, swapped a little, tried to save it. It was really soft, just couldn't save it. So did a little flip and tried to get back going. Yeah.
So in qualifying, I saw you guys going really high on there. I was standing right there. You almost went over in qualifying too.
Yeah, like we're going out to kind of like middle now, but that line like has like 3 different entrances coming in, and then it's soft if you get high on it, so it's tricky there.
Well, good luck in Moto 2 and stay safe.
Thanks.
Don't ever say goodbye. Wherever you go, I'm gonna take you high. I never leave you alone. Don't ever say goodbye. Wherever you go, I'm gonna take you high.
I told Tiff, Johnny's wife, I didn't have much left in me even after the qualifiers, and after Moto 1, the only thing I had in me was that dog.
Good luck.
Thanks.
have something to work on. I need to be better in the heat, and really looking forward to the last 3 rounds. Going to give it everything I have. We got a good buffer in points, so the only thing we can do is go up. So yeah, we're going to just keep working, hopefully come back, be a little bit better, and not get beat as bad.
It was just an awesome day to finally let it hang. I felt like myself, and we're here to stay, and just looking forward to the future, because this is quite an awesome feeling, and just gonna ride the wave, and hopefully we keep this thing up. So thank you all, and we'll see you in the next one.
Felt consistent, felt good, didn't wear myself out too much in qualifying. P1 qualifying, Moto 1 got P1, and then we're here with another P1 in Moto 2. So just a picture perfect weekend, man, extending the points gap and keeping the streak alive. So that's the goal right now, just have fun and try to keep winning motos.